Every Lunar New Year, we cook the same old classic dishes, but the one most dearest to my heart is braised duck. It's usually slow cooked on the stove for hours, but today I'm making braised duck confit using Mayer's Combi steam oven.
Cheers.
It has the crispiness of roast duck and the tenderness of a braised duck.
Yeah, and the braising spices, right? Wow, damn shiok, yeah.
These are the two secret ingredients for braised duck.
Do you know, now with Mayer's Combi steam oven, you can steam cook and dry heat cook all in one!
Wow.
It also comes with a trusty built-in timer, so you don't need another timer to time yourself.